And breaking news coming in of a shocking incident from Villupuram in Tamil Nadu. Pictures have surfaced now of an event organized by a government school in the state where young children below the age of 10 were employed to perform stunts that can only be termed as outrageous. In fact, a minister's wife who was present at the function is said to have stopped the event and sought an inquiry. In fact, here's a quick look at some of the outrageous stunts that were being performed by children. A wooden plank was placed over this girl and then the biker rode over the plank. As you can see the pictures there on your screen, it was the Higher Education Minister K. Ponmodi's wife who was present at the chief guest at the event, who actually stopped the event from going on any further. Child and human rights activists in Tamil Nadu are appalled at the event, which is a clear violation of child rights. Let me now go across to Dhanya Rajendran, who reports for us live for more on the story. Dhanya, outrageous and shocking, the kind of torture and absolute violation of human rights of children in a school of all places in the world in Tamil Nadu.
Well, Rukmini, this event in fact happened on July 15th. The school in Villupuram district, it was an elementary school in Villupuram district in the Keer Perumbakam village. Now, they were celebrating the birth centenary of late Chief Minister K. Kamaraj. Now, during this event, the children were made to perform a lot of stunts. The first, of course, they started with displaying their karate skills. Then, a stunt biker was brought to the school. Children from class 1 to 5 were made to lay down on the ground, their hands stretched out. Then the biker went over their hands. The second stunt, of course, was of a girl over whom a wooden plank was placed, and then the biker went over it. Now, Education Minister's Ponmodi's wife was present at the function, was completely taken aback by what was happening, and she, in fact, told the school authorities to stop. Now, when we contacted the school authorities, they tell us that all these events were conducted in consultation with the Parent Teachers Association. So, school is really claiming innocence here, saying that the students were willing to do it, the parents were willing to do it. That's why we went ahead with the stunts. But the pictures have completely taken aback child rights activists in Tamil Nadu who are saying there should be some sort of inquiry. And this incident also highlights the need to sensitize teachers and especially principals on child human rights.
Right, Dhanya, just stay with us. Let's once again look at those visuals before I come back to you. Look closely at these so-called daredevil stunts that are being performed with little children's life being put to risk. School children from class 1 to class 5 were made to lie down on the ground, their hands outstretched, with a biker riding over their bare hands. And in fact, that's not all. Yet another stunt was performed. A wooden plaque placed over this little girl's chest, as you can see there on your screen on the right side, and the biker rides over the plank. Dhanya, even if the parents give consent to something as outrageous as this, it's very unbelievable that they would consent to something like this. How dare anybody put the lives of children at risk? Will the inquiry not only investigate and perhaps take action against the school authorities who agreed to such an abominable incident, but also the parents? How dare anybody risk the lives of young children like this?
Well, definitely, Rukmini, and let me also add here that the July 15th incident would not have been isolated, because clearly these children have been trained to do this. They are lying down there. In fact, if you look closely at the pictures, they really look scared. But the point here is the school principal says we have given these children training. So that means that at least once or twice or thrice in the previous weeks, these children were made to do the same stunt. They were ultimately practicing for the celebration on July 15th. So inquiry will also have to look into whether this incident happened only once in the school in a public display, or whether practice sessions held with the biker and the students. Definitely the parents and the teachers here are at fault, completely putting at risk the lives of small children who of course couldn't have been able to stand up for themselves and say, hey, I'm scared, I do not want to do the stunt. So yes, the government does have a responsibility here, especially the case being that it was a government school which indulged in these daredevil tricks.
Really shocking, Dhanya. Thank you for joining us with that breaking news update, and certainly we will be closely following all the developments on that story and see where the inquiry takes us. Thanks very much for joining us with those details.